guys, so once again my viewfinder is broken, so it's upside down. Can't see the angle I'm filming at. I feel like it's crooked. I basically am turning 21 in 12 days and I want to do a birthday glow up. I just have been so like moody and in like the worst mood, and I've been trying to just like be really healthy and work out and like, you know, look the best I can before my 21st birthday. Something that I've been wanting to change a little bit is my hair. It's so ridiculously long. Like, I love it. Like, I want it to stay long, but it's so thick and I don't know how to thin my hair, so I'm not gonna do that. But I'm gonna try to like trim it a little bit just because I think it's like a little dead, and also like the pieces in front are like super long and I want to trim those a little bit. And it's fun to do it by myself. The thing I want to change the most is the color. From far away and like in this type of light, it looks how I like it to look. But in the sun, there's like this red, like brown tint to my hair and it's so ugly. So I got two different colors. I got this like really dark brown color and then this like almost black color. And I'm just gonna go ham. Probably brush out my hair actually. What if I've been seeing so many people chop their hair and I'm like, what would that look like? Honestly, kind of cute. But I feel like I'm saving that for like my 30s. I grew this on myself. Like, I did it myself.
I actually did it myself.
I also know that dyeing my hair darker, like in any capacity, is gonna make me look even more pale. So I'm gonna just spray tan right before my birthday, so that way like I look like hot. Like, this is white. How is it gonna turn my hair black? I don't know. This smells so toxic. Oh my god. Strip clubs and dollar bills. Okay, so remember when I was like, oh my god, like it's clear, like I don't know how this is gonna turn black. It turned like navy blue, and that's like the color I'm seeing everywhere. Like all on my skin, all on my shirt. Like, it's kind of a disaster. Oh, also I'm like out of focus. Hopefully I like the end result. It definitely just looks like dark blue right now. So hopefully I can just dye my hair navy blue. My ends are looking really like straggly right now, so I can't wait to trim it. I'm gonna trim it after I wash it, I think, because I think it's better to trim your hair when it's wet, right? Or maybe not. I'm gonna clean this all up and then get back to you guys when I rinse it out. Alright guys, my whole body is just stained with black hair dye, like my neck, everything, my like face, like it's bad. Ta-da! I think I probably look the same. Let me see. Oh god. Yeah, so I look the exact same, except the bottom of my hair does look darker, which is what I wanted. So I'm excited about that. You guys probably can't tell the difference, but I can, because the bottom of my hair is no longer like brownish red, it's black. But now we're gonna cut my hair because I'm crazy. You guys can't even see because it's so long. What if I just got fucking bangs? What do you think? I'm gonna have to dry it and then show you guys final results. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys tomorrow when I can go out in the sun and show you guys what it looks like in the light, because it kind of looks the same right now but just like a little darker. I just want to make sure there's no red in it, which I don't think there is. It's pretty black, but we'll see. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so my next part of my getting ready, like prepping for my 21st birthday, is to get a full body laser because it just feels good. I'm going to Sev right now and I haven't been there in a while. So yeah, let's go get lasered. Okay, it looks like there's a new nail salon right next to Sev and I might go in there and get my nails done because I was planning on going tomorrow morning, but I might just go tonight. Okay, so I ended up getting my nails done and this is what they look like. I got this pink chrome color and these are actually my natural nails, which I never ever get done. I usually get like acrylics or gel X, but I really like them. Hi guys, so I'm almost ready for my 21st birthday. I just had to go pick up some things and just pack is all I need to do, and I also want to do like a little like skin and beauty prep before I have to go on my flight and everything. And my whole birthday trip vlog will probably be in the next video, so keep a lookout for that. But I thought I'd just show you guys what I got. So I went to Sephora and picked up my birthday gift, which is the Way 4-piece kit, which I'm really excited to try out these products. I've tried the perfume before and it smells amazing, so I'm really happy about that. And it's travel size, so I can bring on my trip. And while I was there, I also got the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Crush 62. I have the 72, I think, or it's the 68, whichever one smells like s'mores. I have that one, but I don't actually like it anymore. This one smells really good. This is just like the original one, I believe. I also got a travel size of my Moroccan hair oil treatment because I can't bring my huge bottle, so I'm just gonna bring this little one on the trip. And then I was with my little sister and she recommended me to get the Isle of Paradise self-tanning like water. I don't know how this works. It's literally just like a spray and it like tans you, I guess. So I did just get a spray tan, but sometimes when I like wash my face or I take like showers, like it can get like splotchy in some areas, or like especially on the face. Your face goes pale after a spray tan after like a couple days. So I wanted to get something that I can bring and just spritz on my face to keep like the color there. And then I also got a PR package from Merit Beauty and they sent me a few items. I got the little blush balm and a lipstick. And if you guys want to shop Merit Beauty, just use my discount code. And it's linked on my Instagram and also in the description below. Next, I went to Urban Outfitters and the theme of my trip is like pink. Like all my outfits, everything is pink. My apartment's pink, you guys know. Like if you know, you know. So I know a lot of people have this, but I just wanted to get it for like the airplane or when it gets cold, because apparently it's gonna be snowing there and I have like mini dresses, so I just wanted something that like matches the theme and like the vibe but is gonna keep me warm. So I got this. I also got it in this like navy gray color for my mom because we're all wearing like these matching custom hats for my birthday trip, and I thought that if we wore these like on the plane, that'd be really cute. Next, I went to Nike and I just wanted some like sneakers that just were like fresh that I could wear instead of heels for like a nice dinner. All the sneakers I have are just so dirty because I wear them so much, so I got this pair and these were so cheap. I don't know why they were so cheap, but they were only like $50. So okay, that's not like cheap I guess, but for Nike sneakers I think I only spent like $100 or over $100 on them, so I'm happy that I got these. They're just plain white sneakers and I feel like these will just be nice for like the daytime, you know, like walking around and doing whatever we decide to do. And it's just like the feeling of having new clothes on just feels good, and I've been like feeling really bad about myself lately and I have like the lowest self-esteem actually, so just like a fresh fit will just feel so good. And then while I was at Nike, I just picked up some more socks because I always lose these, like I don't know where they go. And then I also just saw this little pink and white Nike basketball, and I will not have a use for this except for like a decoration for my apartment. Now we have to pack and also pluck my eyebrows and fix my skin because I have wrinkles and I'm not about to get Botox at 20 years old. Okay, so this looks like insane, but I've just got all my like makeup, hair, bath like products, and I'm going to put them in my little carry-on, and believe it or not, all this will fit in this little container. It's amazing. Did I lie? This thing just is like Mary Poppins like magic bag, I swear. Carries everything. Okay, so I just brushed my teeth. Sorry if it's a little echoey in here. And I'm just going to do a white strip because I drink coffee a lot and my teeth are not as white as they should be. So I'm just going to do this little whitening strip. And as these are sitting on my teeth, I'm also going to fix my face. Okay. I was also going to do a pore strip on my nose, but I don't want to like rip away the fake tan just yet. My eyebrows look awful. Like I don't know if you can tell. Wait. But they just really need some like fixing. You know when it hurts so bad and you like pull it and then you like look and it's still there? It's like, why did that hurt? Alright, I think my eyebrows look a little bit better. And then I'm also going to do a little eye mask because I have like the darkest under eyes. Also, I have a lisp right now because of this whitening strip, so just ignore it. But I work pretty much 7 days a week, so I'm always tired. And I'm just going to treat myself to a little eye mask. Oh my god, they're pink sparkly ones! That's so cute! Okay, I'm just going to sit and watch TV because I cannot move. Okay, so I've really got everything ready to go. Everything is pink and black, obviously. I got pajamas, my new shoes. I'm bringing these boots just in case I want a different option than these heels because they're pretty tall and I know it's gonna be cold. I have a daytime fit, I have my nighttime fits, this little sneak peek. I'm so excited. I have backup dresses too. I also brought swimsuits and extra swimsuits just in case anyone wants to like borrow anything. Someone can borrow a dress, someone can borrow a swimsuit. I don't know if I'll need a swimsuit, but in case we decide to like go to the spa or go in the jacuzzi or something like that, I just thought I'd bring it in case, you know, better be safe than sorry. I brought my black puffer jacket because it'll be cold and that one will look cute with every outfit. Obviously I have my 21st birthday hats. I have a lot more, but they're at my parents' house and they'll be wearing them on the trip. My little carry-on with my laptop and Lammy Pie, of course. She's going to Vegas. She's been plenty of times before. And then I popped on my matching phone case. So in case anyone doesn't get the vibe, you get the vibe. Like pink is my favorite color. But yeah, I'm just so excited to finally turn 21 and just experience this whole new chapter of my life. I love my birthday. I feel like it's just like a happy new year basically. Sorry, I'll turn my air off so you can hear me better, but I feel like your birthday is just like the new year over again, and my birthday, I just love the month of February, and it leads right into like when daylight savings is finally like it's bright out again, and it just kicks off like spring and summer. So I love my birthday, and I'm a little Pisces, and if anyone else's birthday is out there like in your Pisces, then shout out to you. I'm gonna get this all packed up and then head over to my parents' house, and we'll leave from there tomorrow morning. And just like that, I'm ready to go for my Vegas birthday trip. I'm so excited. Part 2 will be the actual vlog of the trip, and hopefully we'll make it because look at the weather right now. Never in LA have I seen this type of rain. Also snowed in Hollywood last night. Like, what is going on? I think it's just the universe preparing for me to be 21, I think. Yeah, we're all packed up and I am ready to go. I'm feeling good and confident, and I think it's gonna be a super fun trip. I love you guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my Vegas vlog. Bye.